Welcome to Carbs and Coding. Today we're going to replace the Serpentine belt. I have not found a good Serpentine belt video. I know Naptown Tutor did one where he tried to use one hand. There's a couple other guys that did on older A4s, and then there's one automated video that kind of shows a robot talking, but this can't be that hard. I'm going to do the Serpentine belt because this car has 95,000 miles on it and the belt's never been changed. And Naptown Tuner showed what can happen if you don't change your belt. It can disintegrate and get eaten up by the harmonic balancer and pulled into the engine. So we absolutely be needing to change these belts. I have a belt, and this is a Gates K060625. When I buy belts or hoses, I always want to use some kind of OE manufacturer. I don't think this Gates made the one for Audi, but if you use Gates or Goodyear or any well-known brand, then you're good to go. Don't use anything you haven't heard of before. And then I think I'm going to try to use this 17 belt tool. It's like a super long, basic handle, and then you got your 16 millimeter socket here. They got some crow's feet that you could use for the tensioner, and I'll have links to both of these items in the video description. Alright, so now I have my Serpentine belt tool. This is just a long bar with a 16 millimeter socket on the end. And then I also have, see this, broken off drill bit. So there is a hole right here is a hole. It's a longer drill bit. Here you can see it goes all the way through here to here, and that releases the tension from the belt. Alright, so now we're going to take the belt off. So belt it off. Here's the old belt. And it does not look cracked at all. Like there's no cracks in it. And it's 95,000 miles. And we got the new belt. Check it for size here. It looks the same. Let's take a look at the diagram. It's the alternator, tensioner, crank, air conditioning, power steering, idler. It's like that. So I'm following. Alright, so now I have it all according to the diagram. It's on, and there's just not a whole lot that you can see here to video. So now I'm going to take that drill bit out. Make sure that it's on all the grooves everywhere. Give it a start. See what happens. Good. So if you enjoyed that video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, put a comment in there. I hope that helped out you if you are looking to change your serpentine belt. I will have the description, the links to the products, the serpentine belt, that special wrench in the video description, so go check that out. Click on the link, and that'll help me out too. And I'll help you out. It's absolutely free for you. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen.